Back in the shop. It is officially January 1st, 2020. Today, it's not started out very good. I ordered those valve stem seals for the 351 Windsor heads that I have, that all I gotta do is surface them and then cut the valves and put them back together. And unfortunately, I guess I've never tried to go to my warehouse on January 1st before because they are closed. So I can't get my valve stem seals today. Anyways, I'm going to get them as far as I possibly can without having to install the seals. So that's where I'm at on that, and I'm gonna get on that block that I got yesterday and wash those heads that I got yesterday also. So that's where I'm at for today. And let's go look at those heads, I guess, where they're at, and I'll try to finish up the before and after B-roll type thing of them best I can today. Anyways, moving on. Alright, this is after one pass. As you can see, it's not completely cleaned up, but it's light years better than it was. Just need to get a little bit in here and here. Looks like it was a little warped in the middle. And that's a little bit on the end down here. You can still see a little bit in that firing ring area. A little bit on this one. Only took about 4 thousandths of an inch off of it, so not too bad for one pass on this old of a head. So let's get a little more metal off of it and see what it looks like. Alright. 2 passes, I went with about 5 thousandths, so we're at like a total of 9 thousandths of an inch I've cut off of it so far. And it looks really good, other than just a little bit left in the firing ring area. So, of course, we can't leave it like that, so we're going to do a little bit more. A little bit more. I'm thinking maybe 3 thousandths will probably clear that up, so we're going to shoot for that. This go around, it's looking really good. I think I'm happy with it now. We have officially cut off, say 9, 10, 11, 12, about 12 thousandths of an inch off of it. Which, if we were to actually check like the CCs of the combustion chambers now, I would be willing to bet, like say these were 70 cc, I don't remember what cc these heads were, not were, but they are, but say they are 70 cc, and we were to actually check the, what is the word I'm looking for? What is the word I'm looking for? What is that word? It's not circumference. The volume. If we were to check the volume, I'll remember what I learned in school eventually. But say these were 70 cc heads, and now we have cut them down. I'm willing to bet if we were to check the actual volume of these chambers now, they're probably 69 cc if they were 70 originally. I don't remember what these heads actually are, so I'm just using that as reference. But anyways, I think I'm going to take this one off and we're moving on to the next one. But definitely, it's very, very shiny now. Well, I don't think I did this the first go around, but this is the actual head before being cut. Like, nothing has been done to it outside of what I've shown you before I put it on this machine. Got a little, what's that, PB blaster on it, just to help the cutter out kind of thing, and yeah, she don't look too bad. This one, however, is a lot more warped than the last one. As you can see, it didn't touch anything in here in the center. Hardly at all. I mean, it got over here pretty good, but right here didn't touch at all. Let's see if you can see that. It didn't touch this piece at all, but it cut this one completely. Like, it's just a good, I'm guessing this one got pretty hot. But anyways, that's 5 thousandths off of it. I'm probably gonna need a lot off of this one. I bet you that's at least another 7 to 8 thousandths right there in the center. Whew. So we'll get this set up. I'll probably do a pass of 6 just to see if it clears it up. So I'm like trying to do 3 passes. Hopefully I can do it in 2. See how pass number 2 went. I forgot to crap you off checking it up. I think that was a smart choice. It looks like 6,000 was the magical number. So it went straight to 11 on the second pass. Like the last one got clean at 12,000. So I was like, I did 5. So let's try 6. I'll put us 11, one under what the other one was. And it looks like it did it. I am happy with that. Let's get this off of here and blown off and all that good stuff. And it's ready. If I would have been able to get my valve stem stills today, we could have been putting these together. Another vlog has come to an end, which means it's time to smash this like button right here. Click on the share button over here. Share this vlog with anybody you think might find it interesting. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the vlog. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell. That way there you'll get the notifications, and we will talk with you later. Whoosh!